How to avoid awkward silence on a date. What happens when it becomes silent? How can you stop it from ruining your date? Silence sometimes happens when you are on a date. Sometimes, people just become interested in something else, or they begin thinking of something that is happening elsewhere. Think about this. You are on a date and you are telling a story that has captured her full attention. She is excited and smiling, laughing, and you feel that there is a true bond building. All of a sudden, you run out of things to say, and so does she. When this happens, it can cause a date to end quickly, and it can make you look like you went on a date without any interest. Your date might feel that things all of a sudden got weird. How can you stop date ruining silence? Here are some steps that can help chance the silence back into a meaningful date. Stop silence with comedy. If you get into a situation where you do not know what to say, or you run out of things to talk about, laugh about the situation and help your date find humor in it. Comedy always helps to stop uneasy silence. Why does this work? This works because comedy helps to get the people laughing, and uneasy silence can cause strain. When people are on a date and they find that they have nothing to talk about, it usually is because they were too excited when the date started. They became tired and ran out of things to say. This type of tiredness will pass, but you have to make sure that it does not ruin your date first. Just do something funny that will make her smile or laugh. If you can figure out a way to go from silence to a full-blown conversation, then you can fix the date before it is ruined for good. If you cannot figure out a great joke to tell, talk about something that made her laugh earlier in the date. Even repeating a story is better than silence, and it can bring back happy thoughts and good emotions. Arousing emotions is important, and there is a way to do this that can help build the relationship. Keep going forward. Conversing about something or anything is better than silence. Try to make sure that the silence only lasts for a few seconds, and then do what you can to make conversation again. Your date will not enjoy silence any more than you do. Waiting for your date to make the conversation fun or exciting is a mistake. Women think that men need to make an extra effort when on a date, and if a woman is attracted to you, she will be more attracted to you if you show strong conversational skills. Women love someone that is fun and attractive, but she is also super attracted to men that show leadership skills. Being a strong man does not mean that you have to be muscular or big, it means that you are confident and can keep a conversation going. Being a strong man can mean that you are energetic and that you keep the conversation fun. Be engaging and exciting. Being exciting can cause emotions to be strong. If your date gets excited and is engaged in your conversation, you can talk about anything and she will be full of energy. If that is happening on your date, you are doing the right thing, and keep doing it. Telling stories is one of the best ways to keep your date having fun and being happy. It does not matter if you need to make your story more exciting, what matters is that you are both having fun and being engaging. Your date probably knows that you are embellishing your story, and if your stories are great, she will be intent on listening to your every word. Then, when it is time to leave, chances are, you won't be left alone. Women have a hard time trusting people on the first date. Don't do anything that would make your date fearful. Be the guy that they would want to continue the date with all night long.